Sub. It's cold, it's cold. My new friend. I'm on fire duty. Bon dia, what is happening people? Welcome back to day 3 in the Amazon rainforest. I'm currently in a place called Manaus. This is the biggest city in the whole of the Amazon. I landed here 4 days ago. We trekked about 5 hours into the heart of the Amazon. I'm currently staying in a lodge and we're going trekking through the jungle. We're actually going wild camping today. So I'm about to get my bag packed and let's go trekking. I'm coming down this sort of valley. This is where big cats will come to drink. Is this fresh water?
Yeah.
Fresh water here. Jaguars come here and drink water. Oi. Right, I might go. This is where I fall off. Wait.
If I want to go home, I go over there. If I want to go deep to the jungle, I'll have to look here, go over there. Going deep to the jungle. If you want to go to the river, you see the side here?
That's mad. Okay. You can tell which way to go because of this tree. See, this has got moss on. That's where the sun rises. The other side hasn't. Oh yeah, it's the exact same on this big boy. It's mad, that is. I thought the only way to tell, like, I don't actually know. I thought you could use a compass, but clearly not. I know you can do that sundial thing, but I didn't know about the tree. That's mad. We've just found some jaguar footprints and jaguar poo, which is only less than a week old. Let me show you guys now. These here are jaguar footprints. And he said that poo down there is 3 days old, or less than a week old. Which is mad. He was just telling us how jaguars eat humans. And we've just seen some footprints. And we've seen their poo. Less than a week old that was. He was saying they pass through here at night. A lot of them hunt at night. We are proper in the heart of the jungle here. He said in this area there's a lot of jaguars because there's not many people that hunt them here. So they're very safe. There's a lot more food over this side. There's 5 different forest-like landscapes in the Amazon. This is like a sandy one. And they like it over here apparently. My tour guide's actually been attacked by a jaguar, so he knows jaguars better than anyone. Come to a natural river, and my tour guide just took some in his bottle and now he's drinking it. After about 2 hours we've arrived at a camp spot. I'm so hot. I'm so hot. It's mad how hot it is. It's probably about 35 degrees. But we've made it. We made it to camp.
So guys, so there's a swimming pool over there.
Okay, river. Let me give you guys a tour of the camp. So, it's built out of big trees. You got shelters here. That's it. No AC. Here we've got the cooking area. So this is made out of timber as well. Cups. We've got a dry wood here to make the fire. And we've got a river down here. Let me show you guys. Don't know if you can hear that. There's a freshwater river here, and I'm gonna jump straight in there because I'm so hot. Have a look at that, guys. A natural swimming pool. That water is so fresh you can drink it, but my English body probably couldn't take it. But the locals can drink that no problem. What you'd do, if I was to drink it, I would get it and I'd boil it. Once it's boiled, it gets rid of all of the bacteria. But this is where we're camping for tonight. Look at the size of these trees. It's crazy. Just to think, there are jaguars, there are caimans, there are anacondas, literally in the forest behind me, and we're camping here. We're camping in hammocks tonight, so let's go for a dip in the water. Right, I've just took my top off. Now I'm walking down to go for a dip in the Amazon rainforest. I'm so excited. I never thought I'd be here at my age now, but here I am. Have a look at that. Let's go. First impressions. Oh. It's cold. It's cold. Okay. Okay. Louis is under. That is unbelievable. Have a look at the view I've got. Surrounded by the forest. This is incredible. I've got myself a little waterfall here. This is alive. Probably about 15 degrees in here, but outside is so hot. Hopefully there's no caimans in here. This is incredible. And a waterfall through here. Have a look at this frog. I think it's dead. It's like the size of my hand. That is big old frog. I don't know if this one's poisonous, but look how big he is. It's my hand. He's about the same size as my hand. I'll show you my new friend. That thing is mad. I just found him in a river. I've got dinner.
No! Arrête! Oh,
Dinner.
cute! Attends qu'elle me saute pas dessus.
Yeah.
Wow!
This one poisonous.
There was that in the water.
Dead, yeah.
It's big.
Yeah, it's big.
It's very big. It's the one you hear the sounds.
Ah, this one. This one here is poisonous, he said. We're chucking him, he stinks. Down there. For nature to have him. That frog absolutely stunk. But I had to get out of the water because we're swimming in there. We don't want to get covered in a dead frog.
Alors?
You go?
Yes. Cool.
Nice.
The frog is okay?
It's okay. It said it's poisonous.
Huh?
Yeah, poisonous, he said.
Ah, c'est poison.
Yeah.
Un crapaud poison. C'est un crapaud quoi? Poison.
Poison.
Oh wow. You didn't touch?
I didn't touch, just stick.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You going?
Yes, and you?
It's good.
Okay.
Okay.
C'est trop
Ready?
cool. Fresh.
It's cold, it's cold. I wouldn't want to drink because the frog was here.
You drink the
No,
water?
no, no, no. I don't want to. He drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can, but maybe he has a stomach more
still.
strong than us.
Yeah. It's true.
No? Dead.
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 See, it's okay. You get used to it. It's nice, you come in.
Ah oui, bien.
Right, we've just got out the water. It was a nice dip. Cooled me down from walking 2 hours. This is camp. Let me show you. We've got a fire going on here. We've got the boy. We've got Tarzan. We've got the fire here for later on. Cooking area.
We change the kitchen a bit too.
Oh yes.
We raise up the roof.
Oh yes. Extension.
Yeah.
They just rose the roof. Too low, yeah. Have a look at this. This is crazy, guys. I'm in the Amazon rainforest camping here tonight. I'm about to set up my hammock that I'm going to be sleeping in. But just imagine there are massive, massive snakes, pythons. Just imagine how many animals are out there. Monkeys, caimans, anacondas. Literally everything are out there. And we're just camping here. But we're with two very, very good bushmen that have lived here their whole life. So they know this area better than anyone. We've got the bushmen bringing a big log.
I'm gonna make sit here because they have been taking the sit away.
You're gonna build a teepee seat.
Right.
Good.
Please, madam.
That's our bench for tonight. I'm on fire duty. So, let's go make a fire. I'm gonna put you guys down here. I'm on fire duty. Right. This is how they do it in the Amazon. You get the machete like this. You run it down like this. This is how we're gonna get the kindling for the fire. We've only got about an hour left of sunlight, so we need to get this thing going. Now I'm gonna grab this kindling that I've just made here, pull it in. We want the small bits. Right, I've got the fire like this. Now it's time to light it. We're not going to be doing the traditional way because we don't have time.
Then it's trying to put a little bit bigger.
Bigger? Right, we've got the fire going now. Made by me. That'll be a lot bigger in about 10 minutes. but it's literally going pitch black now, so I'll switch you over to my phone camera. And yeah, I'm going to show you where I'm sleeping tonight. This is my hammock. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. In this bad boy. I'm not sure which one's mine because the girl set it up, but this is what I'm sleeping in. It's just a hammock with a mosquito net, literally out in the rainforest. This is mad. Yes, me hold, yeah?
One by one.
Oh, one by one, okay.
Hold it.
We got the chicken on the skewers here.
Hold.
He's gonna put one on there. We've got sausages there. Have a look at that. That is a proper bit of meat. Okay. This is how we're cooking it today. We've got the chicken on there. We've got the sausages through there. That's mad. That is food update. We've got the chicken pretty cooked there. Sausages pretty cooked. And we've got the rice. Yeah. Can't wait to eat this. I'm absolutely starving now. To make myself a spoon out of wood. This is what it looks like at the start. Got my machete here. Let's see what the finished product looks like. This is the finished product. What do you reckon? It's not bad for his first attempt. Chicken is nearly all cooked. Just waiting here for us to be finished with the spoons. We've got the sausage, the chicken, and we've got the rice. There's my food. Let's give it a try now. Chorizo. That is unbelievable. 10 out of 10. Let's go for the chicken. That is unbelievable. 10 out of 10 for that barbecue. Well, it's time for bed. I'm about to get in my hammock. Right. I'm in my bed for tonight. It's my first time ever sleeping in a hammock. But yeah, that's the end of my third. That's the end of my third day in the Amazon rainforest. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.